So Passkeys are the tangible result of 10 years of work of the FIDO Alliance. And it is a tangible result in the sense that it is what we all as users are going to be exposed to, what we will be using in the future when we will be accessing any type of digital services instead of introducing a username and a password. Over these 10 years, the members of the FIDO Alliance have been working on the specification first, but then more than that, they have been working on the implementation in the respective products that they are bringing to market of this technology so that we can leverage it moving forward. In particular, there are 3 companies that are very important in this effort that endorse the technology, and these are Apple, Google, and Microsoft. Why Apple, Google, and Microsoft in particular? Because together they cover the platforms, the operating system for all the laptops and computers on one side with Microsoft Windows and Mac OS, and on the other side for smartphones and tablets with Android and iOS. The fact that they have endorsed this technology and they have decided to support it on their platforms ensures ubiquity for FIDO technology. It's available, it's going to be available on all computers and all smartphones, on all the platforms that we use on a daily basis in order to access these digital services, and this is very important. Furthermore, they've done something more, these 3 companies. They have agreed on a common name for this technology, and this name is Passkeys, and even a common logo that they are going to use to make it familiar for end users at large. And they have started to advertise publicly about the technology. They issued a joint PR in the month of May, and in the months that followed, they have been deploying information about the availability of this technology for developers that now have to implement it on the respective services so that we can all benefit from them very, very soon.